Hey guys. All right, thank you first of all for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Definitely appreciate it. Okay. All right, with this video, I want to just discuss a handful of things what, in my opinion, seem to work if you're going to join LiveGood as an affiliate. Okay, as a member, pay your $9.95 a month and buy some of the products for real. Check them out, and if they make you feel good, you probably want to buy them every month. And if you don't, you got 3 months to get your money back. Okay. I'm a big fan of not being embarrassed of what LiveGood represents and is. And it is a badass company that sells amazing products. Okay, that's not going to change. Just watching CEO Ben Glinsky with Nodder and of course Ryan and Lisa, the Fab Four I like to call them, you can tell they're addicted to healthy things that go in your mouth. Okay, it might come out the opposite end, as they say. All right, and I appreciate that. All right, being an older guy, getting a little long in the tooth, I know that supplements and things, from protein, amino acids, pain relief cream, could be that CBD pain relief cream that we sell. I might need some of that. All right, how about on the back of my neck or, oh my God, my arms, my shoulders, my feet, my butt, my knees. All right, you never know what's going to have an ache and a pain, so why not try some CBD pain relief cream? But you guys, it's up to you to look at the products and see if you want to buy them. And like I said, I sure hope you do. Because if you use them, it's a lot easier to talk about the opportunity as an affiliate. Okay, so $9.95 a month. You are now buying any product inside of livegood.com for wholesale, even shirts and hats, and some other cool stuff. Okay, you guys will figure that out. Now, if you're going to buy them every month, that's where, yeah, you want to be a member. Okay, if you're just going to one and done it, just try a couple things with LiveGood, and if you don't like the products, get your money back, guys. 3 months, 90 days. But if you want to earn a couple bucks a month or a whole bunch of bucks, all right, why not? This was me back March of 2023, about a year and a half ago or so. I was already buying the LiveGood products. I have had zero interest of wanting to make money online. Okay, especially if it's affiliate or network based or MLM based. Okay, I'm just not that guy. I would rather do something else. But with LiveGood, and I got to hand it to Ben Glinsky and Nodder, who I think came up with the pay plan and the template of LiveGood is a membership-based company. People have to really deep down understand what I'm saying. When you go to Amazon and you pay for, let's say, Prime, you, in your mind, you're getting free products, right? I mean, that's awesome. Free products. No, free shipping. Okay? People like to save money on things that they're probably going to buy each month. So with Amazon, they were smart. They opened up the whole world. What's not for sale with Amazon? That's how LiveGood is. Starting out in baby steps, we're focusing a lot on the health thing, but we're going to get into all different divisions just like Amazon. Okay? $9.95 a month. Okay, you can buy anything for wholesale pricing. Obviously, when you go to Amazon and you do the Prime thing, you're like, okay, good, free shipping, because you're probably buying stuff, most people, once a week. All right? Amazon's like, my gosh, you guys are crazy. You guys are addicted to that Amazon. And I think people are going to be addicted to LiveGood. All right? People are addicted to their phones. And if you want to be an affiliate for a $40 one-time fee, guys, that's it. 40 bucks, two $20 bills, you're done. You are now an affiliate where you can make a video like this or use videos already produced that might be like this. If I can make you a neutral video where I'm not promoting myself, but I just promote you or the company in order for people just to sit down and just go, God, I'm going to look into this. I'm going to watch short videos to see what the product is about and the opportunity. Well, guys, there's a pay plan video that's completely already produced. So why not use the pay plan video already produced? All right. Not to overcomplicate things, but there's so many videos already made. So when it comes to video promoting, don't worry. You can do it if you want and make your own videos. I highly recommend that you try. It's very fun after a while. Get over that shyness. Or maybe just talk without the camera on you. Just maybe point, walk down the street, maybe look at a park and say, hey, I'm going to go walk in the park. Talk about LiveGood a little bit. Or maybe sit in your car, get a steering wheel in front of you, and then hold your phone. And it's nice and quiet. No one can hear you. And if you mess up, so what? You can record it 55 times. Or if you drop the phone and you accidentally lose track of what you're talking about, who cares? Upload it. All right? I think the more raw and real and new you are to video, I think it's more exciting and compelling versus someone that's maybe done 1,000 videos and you kind of snooze a little bit. Same thing, same bull crap, rank up to bank up, live to ride, ride to live. How many logos and slogans and mottos are out there? About 1 billion trillion, right? You don't have to fake to make with Live Good, okay? You just don't, guys. Let you just go and watch a few videos, relax, go to the website, check out the products. If you like the products, great. If you want to be an affiliate for $40, awesome. All I can do is humbly request you to go to joincory.com. Okay, click that link and just watch a short little video, guys. Okay, I've signed up 12 people now. 12 people in December have said, you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and recommend what that guy in orange just said, and that's to join. Okay, $9.95 a month, $40 one-time fee. So for $49.95, guys, you can do this Live Good thing and learn as you go. All right. Do you want to earn after you learn? Or why not earn and learn at the same time? I know you guys can. Okay, because the video and the training is right on your computer. So if you want to learn about marketing, all right, or I don't know, TikTok and Facebook and whatever. All right, all the training's already out there. It's already done. I'll lead you in all the directions that make me easily live a really nice life with the income online. And if you asked me 1.5 years ago, would I be successful? I go, well, maybe, because I can talk to a webcam and promote and do some things. But I thought maybe I'll make $100. Gosh, $200 or $300. That'd be nice, because then I could get all my Live Good products free and maybe pay my cell phone bill. Or my enormous gas and diesel fuel bill each month, because I love vehicles that run on gas and diesel. Okay. Or I don't know, I drink a lot of coffee. All right. I seem to eat every day. I mean, I'm addicted to eating and drinking. Okay. Not alcohol, but I mean like water. And I do like an energy drink or an ice cold punch, ice cold water with lemon in it. There's a lot of cool stuff to drink and eat, and it all costs money. So why not make some moolah? There's nothing wrong with that, guys. It's a lot of fun. I think Live Good is too good to be true. Everybody's going to know about it in a year or two. People are learning about it now and excited that they can finally join something that's affordable. They can kind of learn and earn as they go. And then after 3 to 6 months go, you know what? I can do this online thing. And I can afford it. $49.95. Or if you want to join for the year, it's $99.95. You get 12 months for the price of 10. So for $139.95. The $40 one-time affiliate fee is always there. So just get two $20 bills, rub them together for good luck. Boom. Let the atmosphere eat it up and let it sprinkle down. It's an investment, guys. You're not spending $40 on dinner or something, I don't know, like a coffee cup and maybe one of these Hot Wheels, okay? There's a lot of cool toys on my shelves that cost way over $40, I can tell you that. But invest $40 into you. Get yourself a website, a capture page, customer service, credit card processing, everything's in place. All the shipping done by the United States Post Office here in America or DHL International if it's outside the borders here. All right, distribution centers being built all over the place. Live Zoom meetings just about every day. Tons of training, tons of support. Customer support's there. support@livegood.com. You can write that right now. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate, okay, to ask questions. So what do you do? Well, take baby steps. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I do to kick some major booty in this company. And it's make it easy. I got a business card. I went to Vistaprint for about $25 plus shipping, about $30 total. I got a big old box of these business cards. Okay, you can see them. I'm holding up a few on my webcam here. And I bought joincory.com at GoDaddy for about $11. And guys, when you go to that exact domain, you're going to see the best 6-minute video. And guess what? You're going to use it to sign people up too. It's already produced. It's signed up 1.7 million people. Right now, it's generating $15 million a month in over 200 countries. Guys, don't fix what ain't broke. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, Maynard. Okay? That's how I look at this little Live Good thing. Beautiful piece of steak. Put a little salt, pepper on it. Put a little grilled onions. Put a little something, something on that piece of meat. Or if you're a vegetarian, on that piece of grass or celery or, I don't know, whatever vegetarians eat. I like hamburger, turkey, chicken, bacon. Man, I eat it all. I love it. But I still like to think of Live Good as a little baby steak or a cute little baby. All right, just needs some love. Needs a little bit of this, a little bit that. Let it grow into be a big old monster. Okay? All right, guys, thanks for the last 10 minutes. I'll wrap it up on 11, deal? All right, man. Okay, joincory.com. My YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. And here's my email address, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Get a hold of me. Any questions, I don't mind. Plenty of time to help you make a decision if you want to join Live Good as a member and save money, or go ahead and be an affiliate and make some money like this orange Julius looking dude right now. Okay? All right, guys, have a good one. And hopefully you'll watch more videos popping up right now. Thanks, guys. Peace and love. Bye.